Move, 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 move. Feel everything. Oh, they're in one. Josh, you alive? Oh my God. Thank you.
Here, come into 6. Come into the doorway off the press.
Oh
Josh,
shit.
where are you at?
Oh shit.
You good now?
I'm good. Oh, I don't have my armband. You know where Josh is at?
There's a guy. He's in trailer 1.
You got friendlies in 6.
Friendly's in 6.
Oh, okay.
Back of 6.
Yo, get down, get down. Watch that doorway. Hey.
Okay, there's a guy at the end of the trailer in the window. He's dead now. Shot him in the head. Then there's guys in trailer 7, trailer
8?
trailer 8. Yeah.
No
No.
way.
No, this way. The farthest one this way. What is that? Trailer 7?
Yeah, 7's the farthest one.
7's hostile.
Yeah.
I got 2 guys. I'm not sure.
What are we supposed to do?
You can go in 8.
What's the objective? What? Where is it?
What the fuck?
Yeah, we're in this.
Blue at 6.
Alright.
Hi.
What?
Yo, we got a bunch of guys in 1.
1.
I don't know if we have friendlies in 3 or enemies. Where they at?
1, corner 1.
We're getting called from behind the trailer. You find around down.
Got this corner window right here. He's in the back corner.
Hey. Alright, we got fire coming from that way.
Alright. Need a medic?
He's in here.
Come on, move over. I'm slow.
Friendly.
Good way.
Tom,
Yeah.
corner 1. Corner 1. You see him?
No.
He's ducked behind.
Oh,
the
I see him.
corner.
Shit.
Yeah. He's spraying over here because that's where I was just looking.
What the fuck?
That's it.
Medic! Hold up!
You know? Alright, so am I, so.
Watch that.
I'm getting lit up from over
Here,
here.
you go.
Here you go.
Whoa!
Where's
Medic!
that?
Whoa! Middle of the room. Sam, are you down?
It's too hot. It's too hot.
Too hot?
Yo, we don't have 8? Do we have 3? Yo, look at that. Do we have 3?
Sam, just hold up a sec.
Yo, do we have 8? Alright, yo, we don't have 8, but we have 3.
We don't have 8?
We don't have 8.
We have 3 though.
What's that?
They're moving. They're pushing. They're pushing. Guys, they're pushing this way.
From where?
Watch the push!
Guys. They're coming in.
Here. Down.
Yeah, we can move up.
Yo, they're behind 8. They're behind 8.
Okay, I'm going.
Shit.
Are they fit?
They're not fit.
Got two.
Sam's still out there.
Guys, they're on that side of 6.
Just let them
Yeah, I saw him.
You still got one down in our rim?
Guys, what color are you?
Got one.
Friendly.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're blue.
I think they're in the far end of 6.
I know they are.
Alright. How many
I saw like 4 of them rushing.
Can
we still got some? Can we still make it in there, or is that too hot?
That room's too hot.
Barney to 6. Dom, he's coming in.
Hey!
Throw it.
Yay!
Okay.
Everybody dead in there?
Move on down. Go.
Hey, they're breaking in.
Guys, watch out. We got dead guys here. Oh shit. Eli, they're hit over here.
Friendly!
Eli, they're hit over here.
Tell them we're
Get them in so
friendly.
they can tell us.
Where did it come from?
I know, but I just got friendly fire from that trailer.
Down, corner air 8. Josh,
Leave.
alright. Move up to Dom. I got the corner 8, move up to Josh.
Oh shit.
Got you? 6.
Where?
Window 6.
That's their spawn.
Oh fuck.
Dom. Window. Dom, window 1. I got the window 1. Yeah, learn 1.
Eli. Watch.
One coming in the window.
Eli, they're pushing.
Reloading.
Eli, they're pushing. They're coming in. Eli, I need help.
Dom, what are they pushing?
6. They're pushing in here. Dude, they're coming in 6.
Megan, hurry up. You're in the back of trailer 6. Back of trailer 6.
Hit!
You're hit.
I'm dead.
Yo, they're getting medics right outside back to 6.
I'm hit.
You hit?
Yes.
Josh, drag it. Wait, no, never mind. You got.
We're friendly!
You're dead.
Nah, Dom's first. I was gonna hard cover.
Where'd it bounce?
Dom's before.
I'm dead.
Yo, buddy, don't come in here yet. That Dom's before.
You got dead players in here. Dead players.
No, he ain't mad at me. Ah!
He's hit. Guys, no fooling buildings.
Oh my god. Oh, medic! Medic!
He's hit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you alright?
You okay, man? Sorry.
It's
I got
alright.
like 5 or 6 in my back.
He's hit.
Oh.
He's hit right here, watch him. Alright, I'd say that's a 2-minute bleed out.
No, hey!
Fuck. You got the lid. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot, dude.
Oh.
What the fuck? Stop shooting, you're dead! What are you shooting at? I have no idea where I got shot from. Somewhere from the left.
You're just gonna have to bleed out. It's too hot.
Hit.
Oh, no.
Thanks.
You're gonna bleed out, man. We're getting hit from all sides. No way.
We're pinned in here, dude.
Help me. Help me. Medic! Medic! Oh!
2-minute bleed out.
Alright, go respond, man. Hey, I have to walk all the way up there.
You can walk back here after 2 minutes. You can walk to a
Put
medic.
your hand up. Put your hand up so I know you're hit.
Walk to a medic after 2 minutes.
Come here.
There's a medic right here. You can walk to him.
Thank you.
Where's Josh? Josh, where are you? Yeah. Right there, down there.
That's a slippery, I think.
Josh, trailer 8.
We're trying. We can't do anything. They're in the corner. Yo, John, you want to frag 8?
From here, are you? Guys, I'm pretty sure the tops are clear.
Blue coming through! Blue coming through!
What are you guys doing?
You hear that? Orange has got our base locked down.
One guy in the box.
There's a guy in the woods.
One in the woods.
Watch the trailer.
Watch trailer 3. Muckle! Where's Muckle?
I think there's one alive guy in there.
Muckle! Let's go! We can't reach it, come on. Alright, everybody in front of Muckle into the brown. Everybody ready? Ready?
I'll put my gun down.
Move, 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 move.
Oh my God. Look at that. That is a shower of BBs. Nice job, guys.
You guys, yeah.